Yo, JVG, what's good, my man? Oh, no doubt. Oh, you want to speak to Bat? I got you, bro. What? What'd you say? What you mean, stop trying to be Bat? I'm not trying to be Bat, bro. I'm Mr. Gas, bro. You know what I mean? I got you. Hold on a sec. Hold on. He's sleeping. Hold on. Hey, yo, Bat. Yo, wake up, bro. You got a phone call, man. Why you always sleeping? Wake up, man. Your boy JVG on the phone, bro. What? Wake up, JVG on the phone, man. You gonna pick that up? Okay, I got it. You just ain't gonna be throwing stuff at me. Hello.
Yo, Bat, what's good?
Who this?
No, you ain't sleeping right now, man.
Oh, JVG, what's good, man? What's poppin', my guy? What's good, my boy?
Dog, you know what time it is, bro. We about to get right, bro. Go ahead, cut that off, and let's go.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying? I like this. I'm feeling this long hair, man. I want to let my hair grow for a bit.
Come on, now you got work to do, man. Come on.
I don't know, man. I'm not sure when I'm going to come back. I don't know if I'm going to cut this, man. I might just keep it going for a bit. You know what I mean? Maybe, I don't know, maybe next year.
All right, you know, Big Pew Takeover, my nigga. Let's go.
Oh, yes, sir. Big Pew Takeover, baby. Let's get it. All right, my man. Peace.